Hey, Valentine's Day's coming up.
Are you alone?
Oh, shit.
Or with a partner?
Coming in hot.
Maybe even two. Make this drink, and you'll have a happy Valentine's Day.
If you got two, you should grab their asses and judge them on tightness.
Yes.
Don't do that.
Jen
Never will
would.
go good for you.
Jen would.
Jen would.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Dave, that's Ian, and I are going to make for you a drink, really just Ian, called the Gin Campari Sour for Valentine's Day. This is going out on the sometime in February. This recipe
Because it's a Valentine's
contains
drink.
ounce and a half of gin,
DuckTales.
3/4 ounce of Campari, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, a half ounce of simple syrup, 1 egg white, dash orange bitters, and a small either orange wedge or lemon wedge, whatever you want to do. I'm not using orange wedge because I don't have an orange, and it seems silly to cut a wedge of orange just for this drink, because then I gotta make orange juice or something with it.
I got it.
Screwdriver.
Yeah.
What if you
But
just,
if you're going to make a whole bunch of drinks, then you can cut up an orange.
or
That
you
makes
just
sense.
float the orange, the rest of it in vodka, and call it a screwdriver, and then eat it.
Oh, you can do that too.
Chew on the rind for a little bit. What you're gonna
Seems
do for
more
this?
complicated, but
Basic shake and strain drink, because you're going to get the opacity from it. It's going to have like, I think, a pink color to it. It's got fresh lemon juice. Another good reason you're going to want to shake it. This recipe I found on Savor.com. Gin Campari. You just search for Gin Campari Sour. Fucking figure it out.
It's French.
It's French.
French.
I don't understand shit. Our executive producer is
Do you want to spell that
Tamara.
out for him?
No.
Savour.
Savor.
Savour.
Thank you for Tamara for being a Patreon subscriber, patreon.com/CMC. Or if you're on YouTube right now, there's a join button. You could click that and you could become a Combat Cocktails member, which I highly suggest. I made a video on it. You can go watch it. I don't want to get too much in detail. Don't forget to click the bell icon, which I think is good. Yeah, that way you'll know when new videos come out. That's important. If you don't know that 7 p.m. on every Thursday they come out, except apparently this video has to come out early.
well, it should. It's for Valentine's Day.
People don't go out
What
to
if
dinner
they-
until late, right?
Well, if they're going out to dinner, they're not making a drink at their house.
Well, maybe they are afterwards.
But yeah, afterwards.
Yeah, maybe they're
That's how-
before. Who
that's
knows?
how we
They're
do it.
Ubering it.
But if they get it, I'd say if they see it like the week before, then they're like, oh, I got to
Yeah.
get myself some Campari and some gin.
I can try swapping them. I just have to remember, which is very hard. I'm fucking chaotic.
I'll text you. Don't worry.
We'll see.
Like February coming, I'll be like, shit. It'll be like February 14th. I'll be like, oh shit. Did you
Sorry.
see those?
I told you to do it back then, so you should have.
I'll try.
We've mentioned it enough times in this video that you should get it when you're ready.
Yeah. So you'll be editing this, or maybe your producer will, but
But I edit
doubt
it
that.
after the last video.
Let's just focus on something else right now.
Yeah.
So there's a video up here that you can click on to explain to you how to dry shake a cocktail, which Ian did prior to this, I assume.
Yes.
I was too busy in
How did you
conflict.
dry
Jesus
shake it?
Christ, this thing's got seal to it.
Well, you shook it too hard, that's all.
Maybe you need to start working out or something.
Yeah.
No, that's not it.
So to
I
dry
worked
shake,
out last week. I helped.
Yeah, I mean that wasn't on the New Year's resolution. Don't worry about that.
Those never hold anyway.
no, this is true.
And most people give them up by the 12th.
Yeah.
Is the statistic.
So I'm.
12th of what?
I saved
January?
myself some time.
Holy
That's
shit.
right.
Oh, that looks awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, looks
Looks like strawberry quick.
It does.
I know.
Or
I love strawberry quick.
sherbet.
That is gonna be so.
Where's my garnish?
Messed with your head because it's gonna look sweet and strawberry, and you're gonna drink it. And
See, that's
Not
where the
gonna
orange
be.
does come in. The color.
Oh,
that looks very
fucking
nice.
Yeah, that looks nice.
I think anything looks nice with this long as it's not strawberry. That's gonna fucking throw you off.
That didn't work. You just poured it right
I don't
out.
know what you were fucking doing there, but
That's awesome.
It's tasty.
Is it tasty?
so to dry shake
It
a
almost
cocktail.
looks like, what's the raspberry drink?
Clover
Clover
Club.
Clover Club? That's kind
Holy
of,
shit!
Poke me a Coke.
yeah.
Don't we still need high fives or some, or if they come up with something else? To dry shake this cocktail before you put the ice in, just give it a good 15 seconds of aggressive shake like Ian was doing. Then you add your ice, shake it again. That gets that foam on there that slowly fades in.
Helps emulsify the egg.
Oh, look
Yeah.
at it. You gotta let it
fucking
sit for a little bit.
Oh!
Sure, I'll drink from this too.
Sure, I'll shake for this. So it's got this. It's got a traditional sour
good.
flavor,
Good foamy.
which
Yeah.
is to say it is sour,
And that's
but
even prettier.
it's not that sour.
That's got a little bitter, but not too
bitter.
bitter. Not too bitter.
A little bit of an
it's
No,
Still
but the
muted.
bitter does linger. Like it's the Campari bitter,
What's a
not
good
as
bitter? It's
intense,
a really good bitter.
but it lingers. So this is for those people.
It's not a punch you in the face bitter.
No. Woo!
No.
No.
No, it's a slide up on you nice and smooth and buy you a drink before,
It hits like the
taking you
back
up
of
to
your
the
head.
hotel room and making you leave in shame later. But
Yes.
something like that.
That's quite a description.
I was fleshing the thought out as I fleshing the thought out
You're-
as it was coming to me. Coming to me.
Look at all these puns.
Give me another 10 minutes and I can really get it going. So jump cut back. Yeah, so you can edit the new one in when I come up with it.
Yeah.
Get rid of this last minute because it's
You're coming up with them on the fly.
yeah, it's gone.
Inspiration has disappeared.
See, it's Valentine's Day and it's bitter. So if you don't have like a GF or a what do you call it if it's not a GF? A
SO?
BF?
SO.
WF
SO?
and SO.
Significant other.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
A significant other. Then now you can have a bitter drink that reminds you of the holiday. It's bitter.
Or you can just move on with your life
You could be sour and bitter about
and
it.
have a Manhattan or something.
Or you
Yeah.
can be happy
Yeah.
that you don't have to buy roses and chocolates.
Right?
Yeah, you don't have to buy roses and chocolates. Fuck that shit.
So much simpler.
If that
Make
was
cocktails.
straight,
Buy yourself a drink.
Yeah.
Treat yourself. Treat yourself.
nah, just fucking make one of those, drink it, get on Tinder, and get laid.
Better yet,
In that
put a picture on Tinder of you drinking that drink.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's
true.
perfect Tinder material. Right there.
Yes.
Everyone will swipe right.
People,
Yes.
Yeah.
Is right the good or the bad?
That
Right
would
is
be
good.
Right's
If
good.
you want
Right's good.
if you want right swipage, you want to be having this drink
You
in your
want
hand
right swipe.
as you're like taking a sip of it. It might even leave a little of that foam right under your lips so
And
that
you
they
need
see
like
it.
a hyper-unfocused background in the picture so it looks all hipstery.
Yeah.
Hipstery.
Maybe get a
With a
beard.
twistery.
If you got a mustache. You need several leather-bound books
Now this is becoming
and an
a
apartment that
project.
smells
Yes.
of rich mahogany.
Wow.
Now you just complicated Valentine's
fucking
Day for a
complicated.
single person.
Jeez, happy Valentine's Day, Ian. Now I feel like I gotta go get like a pipe and some shit. I don't know.
You should. Go for it.
Well, not you. You have an SO.
I'm going to sit at home and watch TV.
I don't. Oh, there you go. Again, thank you, Tamara,
lot
for being our
It's
Patreon
a lot
subscriber
simpler.
for this episode. Also, if you like these coupe glasses, just got a bunch in stock. That's at awesomedrinks.com. You can always use that coupon code that flew up. It says FEB19. Save 19% off till the end of February. So, after you've made this drink and you're like, wow, I need to get some glasses like they have on the show, you know where to get them because now it's fucking obvious. Right?
Right.
Better be. If not, rewind.
And if you
5
don't have
seconds.
coupes in your collection, you better fucking get some.
Yeah, you're a terrorist.
Yeah. Exactly.
And if you don't have time
Then
to
you
go to
don't know
estate
how to drink.
sales and try to pick up
Yeah.
old glassware.
Yeah.
Why would you do that when you can just buy it from me?
Yeah, it's so much simpler.
Yeah.
And you don't have to go
really,
anywhere.
you just order them online, or you're gonna go walk in someone's stinky old house
Right.
Right?
and be like, "Oh,
That
let me look
fucking
at your old
hoarder.
shit."
You can't
You
get
don't
into the place.
leave those glasses to the restaurants that need them.
Exactly.
Exactly. You gotta just
Dead people need a drink.
Right. Exactly. Also, we sell these. This is Scrappy's Orange Bitters. I highly suggest you get yourself a bottle of Scrappy's Orange Bitters, like stat, like right now. So you should click on that and do all that stuff. Also, we have a new bartender kit.
Stat.
So
You
there's
know
two
what
of
stat
them.
means?
Do I know what stat means?
Yeah, it's an acronym.
Right now.
Stat.
I did once. I had to Google it though, and I don't remember what it was.
Stat.
It's short turnaround time.
Oh yeah. It's sort of like. Did you know that tag means something too? It's when you're playing the game of tag.
Really?
Touch and go.
Oh, touch and go. Yeah.
You learned some shit today.
Holy
They-
It's
they
called
were-
shit.
touch and go.
So that was
Really?
that was a real tag situation.
Touch and go.
It was a real
Yes.
touch and go situation.
Right.
No
And,
tags.
and now you just call it tag instead. So you've got your education, you've got your
Interesting.
video,
I might
you've got
confuse
your
people.
Valentine's Day. You can swipe right on us. And
But then the other person has to touch and go.
where are they touching?
Well, you could do like the hard touch and go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of weird. Check out our new website. It's combatcocktails.com. If you want to donate, you can always go to combatcocktails.com/tip if you want to do that too. That, my friends, is Valentine's Day. Go make yourself a drink.
And
Significant
Who
other or
produced this
not.
one? Did someone produce this one?
Yeah, executive producer.
You already do that?
Twice.
Okay. Just checking to make sure you knew what
You are on top of this shit tonight.
Like I said,
There's a sidebar.
you probably didn't listen when I said I wasn't listening.
Winter
You
cocktails. It's fucking cold. Go get yourself some winter cocktails. There's a playlist of them. You can also get them on our website. That, my friends, is it. Bartender Starter Kit below. We are teaching you how to drink right now.
Yes.